Ready to do activity? Kinjal, pick up one chord. What is that? Parrot. Bird or insect?
Bird.
Good. Pranit, pick up one chord. What is that? Hen. Bird or insect?
Bird.
Good. Rishika, pick up one chord. What is that? Bird or insect?
Bird.
Good. Charanya, pick up one chord. What is that? Butterfly, insect or bird?
Insect.
Good. Anvika, pick up one chord. What is that? Ant, insect or bird? Good. Dikshita, pick up one chord. What is that?
Peacock.
Peacock, bird or insect?
Bird.
Good. Rishikesh, pick up one chord. What is that?
Ladybird.
Ladybug, bird or insect?
Insect.
Good. Sunita, pick up one chord. What is that?
Honeybee.
Honeybee, insect or bird?
Insect.
Insect. Well, parrot, bird or insect? Ishanali, hen, bird or insect?
Bird.
Harshanandan, ant, bird or insect? Kaushik, honeybee, bird or insect?
Insect.
Varshit, peacock, insect or bird? Darshit, owl, bird or insect? Ayan, ladybug, bird or insect? Mujamil, butterfly, insect or bird?
Insect.
Good. Yanska, parrot, bird or insect?
Bird.
Srivardhan, butterfly, insect or bird?
Insect.
Nirav, hen, bird or insect?
Bird.
Mushur, ant, bird or insect?
Insect.
Lasyasri, honeybee, bird or insect?
Insects.
Adyasri, peacock, bird or insect?
Bird.
Banutej, ladybug, insect or bird?
Insect.
Shlok, owl, bird or insect?
Bird.
Good.